Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance Wow, my people, me there again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, my people, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you. And in this video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that he said Big Brother for Cargo, or he claimed that he's Cargo's big brother. Now, when I say Cargo, I think a lot of you might know who I'm talking about. But, just in case, I want you to listen carefully to this video that I'm about to present to you and tell me what you think. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with words that the person said in this video or what. Listen carefully. Observe.
Morning Jamaica, morning the world. Guess what? My right name is Cornell South. Yes, the big brother for Cargo. And the whole of grew up together. Cargo always grew with me. And I notice Cargo, I never psychotic, him get psychotic or bad in mind, but I wicked him wicked. But I notice Cargo put up a whole heap of story about my mother. And Jamaica just take it and run with it. As when my grandmother said, the poor man's voice is never heard, you understand me? Nobody talk to her, nobody come to nobody my family. Then just hear a Cargo say, I run with it. And my mother. And the first day at 2020, my mother, I go work, you understand? Over Queens. And my mother, she called me before she go work and she said, Bill, when we finish, I said, man, let's take it easy, man. God will work it out. Because you are going on. Everybody knows I like Cargo Hotel. Everybody knows that. And they will run with it, you know. And me have some artists and some journalists in Jamaica. Nobody no question it. Everybody just run with it and say yes. And then believe Cargo.
Listen.
Because guess what? The poor man's voice is never heard. And everybody put Mike Cargo mouth and Cargo talk and nobody never hear nobody. Nobody no do no investigative journalism. Nobody no go to nobody no go where Cargo live. Nobody no talk to none of Cargo family. They only just run with it for Cargo side. And that's fine. Yeah, I understand. But guess what? One day, gotta deal with it. I tell you. You understand me? And I tell you. I not wish bad for Cargo. Because I look better that. And nine of the year. I will never deal, but I love him still. You understand me? And I'm going to see the state of my mother from the first day of 2020, my mother lying in the hospital. Yeah, lying in the hospital. And she never move again. She's there right up until today. Yes. Up until today. You understand? I think today is the 29th or the 30th of March. And my grandmother has been, and my mother has been in the hospital. You understand? I mean, gotta deal with it one day. Yeah, because you're going on. Not going to go and punish you now. And you start the circle yourself, and you have to come right back around. No family member in the Cargo now. Nobody. I tell you. Cargo grew with me, and I always have Cargo around. Everybody know that. Everybody know that. You understand me? But here we go on now. Cargo, your family, them never treat you like star, my youth. You have a little brother around and I say, boy, you're running me because him not call you general. How the f*** him for call general, brother? You have a little brother, how me for call you general? A people that would have respect you and rate your boss. Your family are going to treat you ordinary the same way. You can't be a bigger star than Michael Jackson. You couldn't be a bigger star than Michael Jackson, I tell you that. And when Michael Jackson is amongst his family, he's an ordinary person.
Okay.
You want people to call you star and boss. Say, boy, the people up on the street, I say, you better than now call you general. Who the f*** is general for boss? Relax yourself, man. And you are going now. One day, gotta go deal with it. But tell you, you tell people about them gear from your tree, nothing like that. And you know it. But you are going on. I kind of did understand when you start out, you know, because you see this music thing, everybody is a sympathy show, everybody to sympathize with them, but here we go now. After your boss, you do that. If you do that before your boss, you know, forget the people them behind you, but you do that when you're boss, dog. I want to see you depend on style and my mother. You understand me? Me as a bigger brother call you on your phone and you're bridging them and say, when you see the phone and see me call, the first thing I say about the boy I want. How if you do that, my youth? Eh? How if you style up a sister them as whore and your mother as bitch? Eh? Me drive bus for 20 years. I put more and I have to run if it ass. Cause everybody man see me the man and I say, oh, Billy no see your brother future, you're better than your mother. You understand me? How you expect we feel about it, my youth? Right now, mommy in the hospital right now. From hospital to nursing home. From the first of 2020, brother. You understand me? And I say, here I go, I'm going to tell you something. Me hear everything you say now. But here I go now. One day, brother. Gotta deal with it. I tell them. Me I tell us I gotta deal with it, boss. No say nothing. One love.
Well, my people, I think it is safe for me to say that this person not pleased with certain things pertaining to cargo. So may I say, and you know, it's not like I am there and see certain things will happen. So me only I go by words that the person say in the video. So if those words that the person say in the video are accurate, then wow, my people, like a big wow that. You see me I say? Notice me say if you know, cause me not dead there and me no know certain things for can say confirm. You see me? I saw me work. You see it? May I tell my people, them there are some heavy words still. And I realize some heavy things being said in another video there, my people. So based on where you hear what the person say, my people, would I like you tell me what you think. You can tell me if you believe or if you don't believe the words that the person said. You can tell me what I think overall what the person said in the video, you see me? Yeah, because you know, I think I remember some certain things that happened back then pertaining to cargo and so forth. I think I remember, you know. Yeah, I'm not so sure if they do anything do any video talk about it, but I think I remember. So tell me what you think, my people, alright? Now I saw a video that shows the musician who goes by the name of Cargo. And in that video, Cargo talk about a certain amount of persons, but I think he was specially talking about one person. So he mentioned a name in the video. And in a part of the video, he say, where the on internet I talk about, yeah, I'm a big brother. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to try and explain to you in my words and according to how I understand some things that Cargo said in the entire video, because in my point of view, the video is like more than an hour long or maybe 2 or more hours long. You know what I say? So I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand certain things that he said in the video that I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might find interesting. Alright? Alright, so listen. So in a part of the video, him say, you know, you know, if you play with me, not true. He mentioned the name and then he keep on and say, you know, if you play with me in certain ways or repeatedly. So me I say, alright, so in the video he said, you come on internet and talk about mother sick and boy not take care of mother. All time mother eat pitney with certain words I don't want to mention. He said that a him or has his word, you for take care of your mother. You see me I say? So in a part of the video him say, I know you box down your mother Christiana or a certain location. You see me I say? He used racial slurs during subscribers and him say, like him must say, I know you box down your mother at a certain location, and it's like him must say that in grew up one killing feet. You see me I say, viewing subscribers, please bear in mind that I am explaining in my words and according to how I understand some things that he said in the video. So these words are not exactly as to how he said these things, but may I explain to you in my words. So in another part of the video, Cargo said, and you kick down your mother. And then he mentioned certain persons' names, and I think that him include himself in the group, basically saying that I'm not them, but are you, which in the person I talk about to take care of your mother. See, and I think he might talk about the person who claims to be his big brother or his brother. You see what I say? So in another part of the video, Cargo say, are you mash up my mother with a certain bad word? Cargo say, are you make me hate my mother? Cargo say, are you make none of my mother pitney and her can't agree because we turn up and watch mommy put everything in your bad word name. And then he say bad word again and you may couldn't get nothing from your mother. Quite sad for you some of the things that Cargo say in the video, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, and he say, it make him forgive my mother and bill $17 million him spend and build the apartment there for me mother. And then him start to use certain harsh words about the person again, viewers and subscribers. Then him say again, say, are you fi take care of mother? So Cargo make it very clear that the person mash up his or we mother life, as him say sometimes in the same video. You see? So in a part of the video, Cargo say that upon the man floor used to sleep on the viewers and subscribers. Basically, it's like Cargo I say a certain location, and then he say like a 2-bed the person they have, and then he say upon him floor he used to sleep on it. You see me answer my people? So in a part of the video, he specifically used a harsh language, and then he say, "Are your floor you make me sleep on?" When me hear them words, then me say, "Jano star." Alright, so in another part of the video, Cargo said, and you have one couch, one big long red with certain harsh language couch, and your brother can't sleep tonight. And them things the Cargo they are saying at the video, my people. You see me? And me I gotta tell you the truth too. Cargo say certain words in the video. Me I tell you, it's like, in my point of view, it seems as if Cargo they upset. You see me I say? But when me think said that was it, there was so much more that Cargo had to say in the same video. You see me I say? And all of them things that me I say, they haven't reached 30 minutes in the video yet. So in a part of the video, it's like Cargo say, don't make me talk what you do to your son. And it's like him stop the part that they so. You know, like he says, and he stop the part that they say, you know, my people. So I say, and then he keep on, in a certain ways, I repeat it, don't make me talk, or don't make me talk, or so forth. See me? And then, in a part of the video, he mentioned the word family ram. Now, I think a lot of Jamaicans know what some Jamaicans call family ram. I think so. Anyways, me don't know what else to say about that part there. But in another part of the video, viewers and subscribers, Cargo went on to talk about certain things that he said happened. Cargo said that him is a disgrace. And he said actually love his sister. Make him not talk, you know. You see me I say? And then he said, remember my sister not, remember Kerry not chat to you know with a certain harsh language. You see me I say? He said a whole lot more things in the video, viewers and subscribers. I mean, it's really a long video, you know. And me just explain to you some of the things that he said according to I understand certain things that he said in the video and also in my words. Alright? So they are not exactly word for word as to how he said certain things. Yeah, so me I left it to my people. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.